Get ready for the ultimate RV experience at Link RV Center in Minong, Wisconsin. Their second annual Indoor RV Show, February 21 through 25, 8 a.m. to 7 p.m. daily, Sunday 10 to 4. They have over 20 units indoors and many more heated outside, so you can explore the latest models in comfort. And with last year's pricing for this year's units, you can save big on your dream RV. Their friendly factory rep will be on site to answer all your questions, and they have lenders on site for special financing. Plus, they're offering the highest dollar on trade-ins. Check out their selection of 2023 and 24 motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, fish houses, and more. With only 2 big sales scheduled in 2024, you can't afford to miss out. That's not all. They're providing food and beverages throughout the event, and you can enter to win prizes daily. If you have any technical questions, speak with an expert. Their on-site technicians have the answers. Don't miss out on this amazing opportunity to find your perfect RV. Come on down to Link RV Center in Minong, Wisconsin for their second annual Indoor RV Show. They can't wait to see you there.